Hi everyone, and welcome back once again to our channel. So for today's delicious recipe, I'm gonna be cooking another curry series. This recipe is packed with so much incredible flavor that you guys will going to love it. Let me show you how I make my spinach beef curry recipe. So keep on watching. So guys, here's the ingredients we need in this recipe. Onion, tomatoes, ginger and garlic, spinach, fresh cilantro, potatoes, plain yogurt, our spices. I have here salt, black pepper, ground cumin, and curry powder. And I also need 1 beef broth cube. And the beef that has been pre-cooked. And here's the ingredients we need in this recipe. Simple and basic, guys. So guys, in this recipe of mine, I pre-cooked the beef because I'll be needing the beef soup for our dinner. So what I did is just to boil the beef with some vegetables and wait until it's tender. So let's start cooking. So I preheated a pot and I just pour in a good amount of oil. And I'm just going to saute the onions, ginger, and garlic. Saute the onions until it turns translucent. Alright guys, so I have everything brown and sauteed, and now it's time to add the rest of the ingredients. I'm adding in the frozen spinach that I actually defrosted it already. I will just cook it with the onions and garlic so it will absorb some good flavor. And I will just cover it with the lid and I will just cook it for around 1 minute. And so after a minute, I'll just give a quick mix. Then I will add in my pre-cooked beef. Just give it a quick mix so all the flavors will spread all over, and mix it until all the spinach will cover all the beef cubes. Then after that, add the rest of the ingredients. So I'm adding the tomatoes, the potatoes, and just a quick mix, guys. In here, I'm adding 2 cups of hot water. I actually need 3 cups in this recipe, but for now, I'm adding only the first 2 cups. Mix everything to be well combined. Then, time to add our spices that will give the most flavors in this recipe. Then cover the pot and let this cook for 5 minutes into medium-high heat. After 5 minutes of cooking, it will look like this. And I will just give a quick mix to make sure all the ingredients, especially the beef, will cook evenly. Oh, you guys, the smell of all the ingredients together is really amazing. And now I'm adding the last cup of the water. Then I'm adding the yogurt, and this gonna add so much of great flavor. Then cover the pot once again and let it cook for about 10 minutes into low-medium heat. And after 10 minutes of slow cooking, it looks like this. As you can see, guys, the oil already separated from the other liquids. That only indicates that our recipe is now cooked and ready to enjoy. And of course, don't forget to give it a taste. Look at this, guys. The beef are really soft and tender. And now I'm adding the last ingredients, the fresh cilantro. And here's my spinach beef curry, ready to serve and to enjoy. I'm sure that you're going to like this recipe the way I do. I hope you guys will give my recipe a try. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave some comments down below, tap the notification bell so that you're always updated every time I have new upload. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Life is so beautiful, guys. Keep smiling. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Bye! Sailoring.